Hello folks, John here at ECD. Today we're going to explore the world of luxury sports cars as we compare the iconic Jaguar E-Type and the incredible Mustang from the 1960s. With the Jaguar, of course, you have some distinctive features where the body of the vehicle comes in a coupe, a convertible, but we can also do a convertible hardtop. Now, very practical, of course. If you decide to take it off, you have the best of both worlds, and we can also custom match it to the exterior color of the vehicle. Inside the cabin, you're going to have this clocks, of course, spread throughout the dash, and makes it feel like an aircraft or airplane cockpit, which is something pretty neat. And we can play with those elements as well to customize them and make it more appealing to whatever the client taste may be, whether it's custom gauges or adding a more modern radio or screen per se that may give them all the features that they're looking for, like CarPlay or backup camera, things of that nature. In terms of performance in the Jag, we have the ability to offer, for those purists that want to have a true V12 from back in those days of the Series 3, a retooled and reworked 400 horsepower V12 that is fuel injected. So it's going to be more reliable and durable than the original, and at the same time will give you that tune, that engine sound that is some nostalgic to some folks that love the Jag from that generation. And in terms of the aesthetic of the car, Enzo Ferrari said it always was one of the most beautiful cars ever built. And I think that statement is true today as well. The silhouette and the lines of the Jaguar E-Type are just absolutely stunning. And I think that's probably the major factor that appeals to people. Not only the fact that you have a very unique and distinct interior cabin, but you also have these beautiful lines outside that are soft, and aluminum panels, of course, are curved, and it just looks absolutely stunning. Now, for those folks that don't mind departing from the original engine setup, we offer a GM LS3 and LT1 engine option. The whole idea is, of course, if you are looking for more of a daily driver or a vehicle that perhaps is a little bit more reliable over time and gives you more power, the GM setup, of course, will give you all of that and then some. Now, we're super excited, of course, to now be able to offer the Mustang generation of the 1960s. These vehicles are as well iconic, and the American market absolutely loves them. We think that we'll be able to accomplish, just as what we've done with Defenders in the past and Jaguars, a next level type of build with the Mustangs. In terms of feature, of course, you can get these vehicles in coupe as well as convertible versions. We'll have all kinds of powertrain options provided by Roush performance engines, anywhere from 465 to 560 horsepower. And again, we can play with automatic as well as manual transmission on these. For those folks that are looking for a more original, traditional look, where it's more simplistic, kind of a less is more type of approach to their design, we can certainly stay close to those original model types of interiors. The nice thing is, here at ECD, we have all kinds of resources to elevate that interior or exterior, for that matter, of the vehicle and take it to the next level. Now, the aesthetic appeal of the Mustang, I think, even though the Jag has got this sexy lines, of course, very soft and subtle to the eye, the Mustangs have just that robust presence to them. And as a true muscle car, of course, for those clients looking for that type of ride, I think it's such an amazing product to be able to offer that people will very much love what ECD is about to bring out to the market. And the first few builds are going to be coming out soon, and cannot wait for them to see what these are all about. And so hopefully that will help trigger their imagination and really see which one of these options will align best with their driving passion.